Hi friends, today I am going to tell you about Mr. Bidwai. You know friends, Mr. Bidwai is my school teacher, and fortunately I had got chance to learn under him when I was learning at ZDP High School Chapaner, and he was recently transferred there. You know friends, I was fascinated by his personality, and when I saw him, he was wearing kurta and pajamas, and I felt that I should be a teacher like him. Friends, his teaching was beyond the school subjects. He was always telling us what should be done for getting successful in our further lives. You know friends, in those 2 years we got really great teaching from him. Although he was teaching us Marathi and math, but he was also giving us good knowledge about other things, and he had also conducted for us general knowledge examinations too. And friends, he was also giving us good advice how to choose right way to be successful in our further life. Friends, and when I finished my school education and I left the high school to learn further, but I didn't break relationship with him. I was meeting him. I was visiting my previous high school to meet him, and during that meeting, during the visiting, I was getting his advice as well as suggestions what should be done and what shouldn't be done. Friends, when I was doing DED in Kannada, at that time I was elected as a HM, and it was the part of our course, or I was elected HM, our group, and we were given a school to manage and to run that school for 15 days. And on the occasion that program I had invited him, but due to some reasons he couldn't attend the program, but I clearly remember he wrote me a letter, and in that letter he had expected some things, and that letter really gave me a good boost, and I tried my best to fulfill the desires which were in that letter. Friends, and after that, finishing my education, I joined the school which was ZPPS Jalgaon Ghat, and I was working there till the days I was also visiting him, because I was liking that to visit him, to speak with him, and every time I was getting something different from him. So I didn't give up his relationship, and it was on. And after some years, I came to know that he was transferred to ZPPS Jalgaon Ghat. Actually, I couldn't believe on that. But when I realized that he was joining my school, so I was too much happy, because I was getting chance to work with my teacher as a co-worker. Friends, I really would like to tell you that Mr. Bidwai is a great, well-natured person. He is a good advisor, he is a good teacher, he is a good guide, as well as he is also a good friend. And you know, when I was learning in ZP High School Chapaner, at that time I was his student and he was a teacher, although we both were in a school. And here too, we both were in a school, but now there was a difference between the situation, between the status. Now I was working with him as a co-worker, and I would also like to tell you that although I was happy when I heard he was joining our school, but I was also feeling awkward while working with him. But when he told me that you are not my student, now you are my friend, then that removed my tension, and since that day a new relationship began, and that relationship was of friendship. And during the years when we were working there, the days were really great, and in those days really I would like to tell you that I got many suggestions, many advices, and many things I learned from him. And friends, today I am a successful person, a teacher, a writer, a YouTuber, and a publisher too. And these all things I could get because of his teaching, because he gave me, he encouraged my self-confidence, and that is why now I am standing in front of you. Friends, when I was working with him at ZPPS Jalgaon Ghat, many ups and downs came into my life, and in those days he was with me. That is why I could face them properly. So his suggestions and his support was really great for me. And till now, his many students who are doctors, engineers, and government servants too, teachers, lecturers, they all remember him because of his greatness. I would also like to tell you that, friends, I had many teachers from my primary teaching to be a teacher, but there are always some teachers to whom we always remember, and among them there is one teacher who is Mr. Bedrisa, because he gave us the teaching which was beyond the school subjects. And definitely while working with him I felt too much happy. And friends, today he is completing his 50 years, means he is crossing his golden jubilee. And on the occasion of his golden jubilee, I wish him a lot of pleasure, a lot of happiness, and may he get more life so that he could create more students like me. Friends, till today he is trying his best to create the students, to create the great persons, and definitely it will be on till his rest. There is no doubt about that. So once again I wish him a lot of pleasure and happiness, laughter, and everything on the occasion of his golden jubilee. Thank you very much.